Thanks for helping us with our study about how to divide things among people who benefit from them. There are, of course, many different ways to divide things. As a simple example, I want to take you back to your childhood. Remember when your mom or dad gave you or your friend a chocolate bar and told you to split it? Maybe they said,
One of you kids divide it, and the other one gets to choose.
that's one way to divide something, and it seemed simple enough back then, right? In this video, we're going to describe 5 different ways to divide things, but before we do, I want to introduce a few ideas we'll use here. We call the thing being divided a resource. Yes, we know that's a silly thing to call something like a chocolate bar, but it will be a useful word later on. Now remember how you felt when you ate that chocolate bar? It made you happy, and you probably smiled, right? Let's call that happiness a benefit. Depending on how much of the chocolate bar you received, you got more or less happiness benefit, right? And how much happiness you felt may have also depended on how much you liked that particular chocolate bar, or maybe even how hungry you were to begin with. So the final level of happiness you felt after eating your share of the chocolate bar likely depended on a number of different things. That's an important idea, and we'll explain more about it during the video as we use another example to help describe the 5 different ways to divide something. So for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Imagine a situation with 2 people, Williams and Taylor, who both suffer from an identical form of painful arthritis. We have some pain relief pills that will completely relieve their pain with no bad side effects, but only for a limited time. In this example, the resource we need to divide is the pain relief pills, and the benefit received from the resource is pain relief. There are 12 pills in total to be divided between Williams and Taylor each day. These 12 pills are not enough to provide complete pain relief to both of them for the full day, so we will need to decide how to divide the pills between them. The pills can be split in half if we need to. Williams and Taylor are identical in every way except 2. 1. The amount of time each day they naturally spend without any pain from their arthritis is different. And 2. The number of hours of pain relief they each get from one pill is different. Here is some specific information. Without any pills, Williams has pain for the full 24 hours a day, which we see here in red. His doctors have determined that he obtains 3 hours of pain relief for each pill he takes. One pill gives him 3 hours of pain relief, which we see here in blue. 2 pills give 6 hours, and so on. With enough pills, Williams can obtain complete pain relief each day. Taylor, on the other hand, has pain for 20 hours a day without any pills, which we see here in red, and he is naturally pain-free for the other 4 hours a day, which we see here in green. His doctors have determined that he obtains only 1 hour of pain relief per pill. That is, 1 pill gives 1 hour of pain relief, which we see here in blue. 2 pills give 2 hours, and so on. With enough pills, Taylor can also obtain complete pain relief each day. Other than that, Williams and Taylor are identical in all respects. Assume that Williams and Taylor cannot get pain relief pills from anywhere else. After the 12 pills are divided, they cannot save their pills, trade their pills, or give their pills to anyone else. Given these characteristics of Williams and Taylor, how might we divide the 12 pills? We are going to focus on 5 specific ways. Our first way is called equal division. For this, we just divide the pills so that Williams and Taylor each receive half of them. When we divide this way, Williams and Taylor each receive 6 pills. Given their individual characteristics, this is what would happen. Because Williams obtains 3 hours of pain relief per pill, his 6 pills will give him a total of 18 hours of pain relief, which we see here in blue. And because he is naturally in pain 24 hours a day with no pills, he ends up in pain for 6 hours and pain-free for 18 hours each day. Taylor also gets 6 pills, and because he obtains 1 hour of pain relief per pill, he gets 6 hours of pain relief from the pills. But remember, Taylor is naturally pain-free for 4 hours each day, shown here in green, so overall, with his 6 pills, he is pain-free for a total of 10 hours each day. Our second way to divide is called equal benefit. Divide the pills so that Williams and Taylor each obtain the same amount of pain relief from the pills. If we divide this way, each person would obtain the same amount of pain relief from the pills, in this case 9 hours. Because Williams obtains 3 hours of pain relief per pill, 3 pills will provide him with 9 hours of pain relief. And because Taylor obtains 1 hour of pain relief per pill, 9 pills are needed to provide him with the same 9 hours of pain relief. This way gives more pills to Taylor because each pill provides him with less pain relief than Williams. So to provide each of them with the same amount of pain relief from the pills, we need to give more pills to Taylor. Note that because equal benefit focuses only on the direct benefit obtained from the pills, and Taylor is naturally pain-free for 4 hours a day, the total pain-free hours differs across the two. Williams is pain-free for 9 hours, and Taylor is pain-free for 13 hours. Our third way is called maximize benefit. This means we divide the pills so that the total amount of pain relief obtained by both Williams and Taylor together is as large as possible. To do that, we now need to consider the fact that Williams gets more hours of pain relief from the pills than Taylor. To maximize the total amount of pain relief, we should give pills to Williams until he can no longer obtain pain relief. 8 pills for Williams at 3 hours of pain relief per pill will provide him with 24 hours of complete pain relief. Giving him any more pills would just be wasted, so we give the rest of the pills to Taylor. When we give the remaining 4 pills to Taylor at 1 hour of pain relief per pill, Taylor receives 4 hours of pain relief from the pills. In total, they receive 24 plus 4 equals 28 hours of pain relief. This is the maximum amount of benefit possible with this supply of pills. Our fourth way to divide is called equal outcome. Divide the pills so that the total number of hours each day that Williams and Taylor are pain-free is the same. To divide the pills this way, we now take into consideration the number of hours that each person is naturally pain-free, the green part. Recall that in this example, with no medication, Taylor is pain-free for 4 hours a day, while Williams has no pain-free hours without medication. Using equal outcome, Williams would get 4 pills, and at 3 hours of pain relief per pill, he would obtain 12 hours of pain relief. Taylor, on the other hand, would receive 8 pills, which would provide him with 8 hours of pain relief. Add that to the 4 hours he is naturally pain-free, and his total number of pain-free hours is 12. In this case, both Taylor and Williams would be pain-free for 12 hours each day. This is equal outcome. Our last way to divide is division according to relative need. This one's a little complicated, but it basically means that we divide the pills between Williams and Taylor in proportion to their needs. If we divide the pills this way, we look at each person's need for pain relief. First, we determine how many pills each person would require to make him completely pain-free each day. Without any pills, Williams has pain for 24 hours each day. He gets 3 hours of pain relief per pill. Therefore, Williams would need 8 pills to be pain-free all day. Taylor, on the other hand, is naturally pain-free for 4 hours a day, and because he gets 1 hour of pain relief per pill, he would need 20 pills to be pain-free all day. So overall, in order to make Williams and Taylor both completely pain-free, we would need a total of 28 pills. But we only have 12 pills, which is about 40% of the 28 pills we need. So we need to divide the pills proportionally and give each person about 40% of the pills he would need individually. That means that Williams gets about 40% of the 8 pills he needs, which is 3.5 pills, and Taylor gets about 40% of the 20 pills he needs, which is about 8.5 pills. With his 3.5 pills, Williams obtains 10.5 hours of pain relief. And with his 8.5 pills, Taylor obtains 8.5 hours of pain relief. So in this example, we looked at 5 different ways to divide a resource that provides people with some benefit, and we showed how they lead to very different divisions. In this case, the pills are the resource, and pain relief is the benefit. Equal division divides the number of pills equally. Equal benefit ensures that both people obtain the same amount of pain relief from the pills. Maximize benefit seeks to obtain the greatest amount of pain relief for both people together. Equal outcome ensures that both people experience the same amount of pain-free hours each day, and relative need divides proportionally according to each person's need for complete pain relief. So now that we've explained a bit about these 5 different ways to divide things, let's continue with the rest of the survey.